What is the Authorized Heritage Discourse? The Authorized Heritage Discourse is a concept that was introduced by Laurajane Smith in the book Uses of Heritage in 2006. According to Smith, there is a hegemonic discourse that favors monumentality and grand scale, innate artifact site significance tied to time depth, scientific aesthetic expert judgment, social consensus, and nation building. In this sense, the Authorized Heritage Discourse focuses attention on aesthetically pleasing material objects, sites, places, and landscapes that current generations must care for, protect, and revere so that they may be passed to nebulous future generations for their education and to forge a sense of common identity based on the past. According to Smith, the Authorized Heritage Discourse is also a professional discourse that privileges expert values and knowledge about the past and its material manifestations and dominates and regulates professional heritage practices. Consequently, for Smith, the Authorized Heritage Discourse is connected to inequality and to questions about what it means to be an expert.